Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC tips and tricks on mobile. In this video, I will show you how to enable parental control on the VLC media player, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your VLC media player on Android or iPhone. Having opened up the media player, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on setting icon right here. So click on settings, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to parental control right here. Go ahead and click on parental control. Then what you need to do right here is to set up your parental control pin. Confirm your pin. Now you are here. So what you need to do right here, restrict settings, safe mode. When activate file cannot be deleted or playlist modified without entering pin. So what you want to do right here is to make sure you check on this and then restrict setting access. Go ahead and check on this and you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your VLC media player, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.